this is my personal experience in even special for the Punjab people. If you want to like search in a general agency, then you can choose a student cover is the best. Well, I will give you the like a 10 of the 10.
Welcome to the Student Cover podcast, where real students share their real stories. From their struggles to success, we dive into each and everything that shapes their study abroad journey, because every student's voice needs to be heard. And today, we have with us Ms. Krishwinder Kaur, who made her way to Hungary through Student Cover's wholesome counseling. She will be sharing her highs, the hurdles, and everything in between.
Hi everyone, I'm good, and I want to share a little bit about my journey in the abroad. So
Right.
last year I got admissions to the university in the Hungary for the University of the Debrecen. I'm going abroad for the higher study. I had alone been of the dream my computer science, but when I actually start off the process, is quickly realized how too confusing and overwhelming it could be.
So if you have to give a review for us, because
Mhm.
I know you were connected with us and we helped you in getting an admission letter, and also we helped you with visa services. But I want to know
Yeah.
that if you want to review us as a consultant, as a counselor who helped you, so
Okay.
what will be your review?
Well, I will give you the like a 10 of the 10 because especially for the Komal ma'am and the overall the team who is like a student cover assist me all those of the out. So everyone is supporting me without any fee like first step to last step everybody like supporting me. So uh, it's a very good for me because I have confused about how to apply and how to like search a university. So student covers team is very supporting for me and searching a best university for me in the Europe. So that's why personally recommended to all students who want to study in the abroad. You just connect to the student cover agencies because it's very helpful everybody. And if you want like face any challenges in the future, you can choose this agencies, this students cover agency, because it's very helpful for every students. If any stage, if you are found university, if you have found any scholarship, if you want to add like any admissions, any best universities without IELTS something, so you can just connect with the students covered. It's very faithful, this time, this era, peoples are very fake everywhere. But to be honest, when I connect to the student cover, this is very helpful for me in search quickly within 1 and 2 months, quickly search best universities. So this is my personal experience in even special for the Punjab people. If you want to like search in a general agency, then you can choose a student cover is the best.
So let's start with a fun rapid fire round. Okay.
Okay.
Just to
Okay.
make the conversation a little light. So I want to know what's your favorite Hungarian food?
Well, to be honest, here the people's traditional food is the pork, because pork is very famous here and also traditional food here. But the most probably people's are eat a language is like a very delicious here, is like cheesy and creamy here. But if any students like from India who want to like eat any vegetarians and also vegan foods, gluten free, all foods are available here, like a lot of the Indian restaurants, Pakistani restaurants are available here, so you can choose easily. Yeah, you can choose easily, but the famous is the language here. And also the chimney is very famous here. Chimney is very famous. Chimney cake.
Chimney cake. Okay. Wow.
Yeah, it's very delicious. Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah.
And what's your biggest Hungarian language fail? So have you learned Hungarian a bit? Have you learned the
Well,
language?
Well, to be honest, the Hungarian language is the very difficult language, but don't worry if you are speak English is a manageable here because
Okay.
most probably people speak in English. But it's my personal experience. If you want to if you want to like settle in the Europe in Hungary, then definitely you have learned little bit apart from that you have learned Hungarian language because Hungarian language is the toughest language in the world. If you are searching
Okay.
on Google's like a toughest language in the world, then also you find the Hungarian language because
Okay.
Hungarian language is very different from the English. If you Dutch language, German language, then German
Yeah, yeah.
language is a similar like English, but the
English. Yes, yes,
Hungarian
I know.
language is very difficult.
Very difficult.
So
Okay.
I have like
Have you
share
learned some
with
words?
just yeah
Yeah.
some words like if
Yeah.
you are like hi, then you can like say sia,
Hasiya. Okay.
and and hojwech, आप कैसे हो, hojwech, how are
Oh,
you,
sure. Okay. The
yeah,
letters are
and
different.
also
Like the letters are different than English,
yeah,
or
it's the
they
different.
different.
Like write like a same as a English,
Okay.
but there's some
But
little bit like sound e and a some
okay,
different.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So,
Okay.
but if
No worries.
anybody want to like learn, then it's easy, not tough. But if anybody want to like give 100% in learn English, then it's easy to
Okay,
Hungarian
okay.
and also easy. Yeah.
No, that's good. I mean, with time you can learn easily. That's not a problem.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
not problem
yeah,
if anybody want to learn. Yeah.
And so first, so now before closing the podcast, I have two things to request to you. One is that if you can show your apartment, like how it is outside and how big is your apartment or how good is your apartment. Can you do that?
Yeah, definitely. When you like first time you got receive your any like visa, then you must try to search on the Facebook. Facebook is a lot of the apartments are available. You just like scrolling, and lot of the students apartments are available. You just connect with the messages, and also I
Okay.
show my apartment here. Just wait.
Okay. So you're living with a student or you're living with someone else?
Well, right now. I'm living with my family here, but I'm
Okay,
also
that's good.
living. I have a personal apartment also here,
Okay.
but right
Okay.
now I am with my
You are
family. So
at your
just I'm
sister's
showing.
place.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So I am showing my apartment here. Just wait.
That's
Cold
very
outside, so that's why.
okay. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
And lastly, before closing, I just want to tell you that this has been very insightful and fun conversation with you, and really admire students like you who want to achieve their dreams and who have achieved their dreams like you have.
Yeah.
So,
So yeah,
so
thank
just
you.
last words. What do you want to say?
Well, thank you having me, and everyone out of thinking about the study in abroad, just go for it. It's a life of changing experience, rememberable having of guide like can I make chance go to abroad and lot stronger.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your kind words. So that's a wrap
Thank
for
you.
today. So if you're planning to study abroad, need expert guidance, check out Student Cover's admission page and you can get in touch with us. We have many students
Definitely.
like Khushwinder who can help you, who can guide you as well. We can always connect you to students like these. Okay?
Okay, no worry, no worry. If any students need help in the Hanvi, then definitely you give me my numbers. I'm
Okay.
always available.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Khushwinder. And
Thank
any
you,
help
sir.
you also want during your stay as well, you can always connect with us. Okay, because we know professionals
Definitely.
there as well. Okay, so be in touch.
Definitely. Thank you.
All right, Kushwinder, all the best for
Thank
your
you. Bye.
future and way.
Thank
Okay,
you,
bye.
sir.